Good morning, students. Welcome to Max Online class. Today we learn about the new topic types of lines. There are two types of lines. First one curved line, second one straight line. What is this? This is line. Straight lines. Students, see these lines? This is straight lines. First one vertical line, second one horizontal line. There are two types of straight line. Vertical line, second one horizontal line. How many types of straight line? Very good. Two types of straight line. What is curved line? This is called the curved line. Students, what do you see in these lines? These lines are curved lines. This is not a straight line. This is curved line. Students, what is this? This is A. How many lines are right to A? There are 3 lines used to written. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lines used to written A. Students, what is this? This is T. Can you tell me how many straight lines do you use to write? 2 lines. 2 straight lines. 1, 2. There are 2 straight lines used to write T. Students, what is this? This is C. Do you use a straight line or curved line to write C? Very good. C is the curved line. U curved line, C curved line. So C and U curved lines. T, A is called the straight line. Students, what do you see in this picture? This is square. This is rectangle. Square and rectangle is the flat shape. Which is flat shape objects? Book, table, phone, rubber. This is flat shape objects. Students, objects have flat surface and curved surface. Which is flat surface objects? Table, phone, sharpener and matchbox is the flat surface. Is the flat surface objects. This is flat surface objects. Flat surface objects are otherwise called plane surface. Students, which is curved surface objects? This is curved surface objects. This is curved surface objects. This is not a flat surface. Bottom and top is the flat surface. This is curved surface. What shape? This is cylinder shape. Cylinder shape and cone shape, sphere shape are called the curved surface. Students, what is plane surface? Surface of few objects like walls, floor papers and top of the table are flat. There are flat surfaces. Flat surfaces are otherwise called as plane surfaces or planes. Cubes, cuboids have flat surfaces. Which is flat surfaces? Can you tell me? Table, phone, rubber. There are plane surface or otherwise called flat surfaces. Curved surface. Surfaces of few objects such as ball, flower vase, pot are curved. Cone, cylinder and sphere have curved surfaces. Which is curved surfaces object? This is curved surface. Students, do you understand the plane surface and curved surface? Very good. Look at these pictures. This is table. Table is the plane surface. This is board. Board is the rectangle and this is plane surface. What is this? This is suitcase. Suitcase is the plane surface or otherwise called flat surface. Book is the plane surface. Students, do you understand the plane surface objects? Very good. Look at these pictures. What is this? This is football. This is sphere shape. Sphere shape is the curved surface. Cone, cylinder and sphere have curved surfaces. What is this? This is carrot. Carrot is the cone. Cone shape. Cone shape is the curved surface. What is this? This is battery. Battery is the cylinder shape. What is this? This is flower vase. Flower vase is the cylinder shape. Cylinder shape have curved surface. So this is curved surface. What is this? This is bucket. Bucket is the cylinder shape. This is also curved surface. What is this? This is lemon. Lemon is the sphere shape. Sphere have curved surface. Students, do you understand the curved surface objects? Very good. Thank you, students.